Hey guys, just a little video of the unboxing and installing the new zestek, if I've said that correctly, steering wheel and flappy paddles for the Golf and Cooper, and mainly any car really. They do sort of Hondas, yes, BMWs, pretty much anything that you'd want one for. So let's see what we have. That's the open box. Right. So we get lots of stickers to put on the steering wheel, however you want to set the steering wheel up, because all these steering wheels are custom to yourself. You can change and program them to do pretty much whatever you want really. So right, so it comes in a lovely, well presented box. So let's see what we have. So we have the main panel, all the clickers, quick release. All these are analog, buttons, horn, flick switches. I mean, these will all do something. Just got to program them in and get it done. So what else do we have here now? Looks like we've got a bag of a couple of Allen keys, loads of bolts and stuff like that. So we'll have a look at that in a sec. We have the plug that's designed for the MQB to plug into the zestek unit. So we've got that. This is the main circuit board for the unit. So that has all your programmable stuff onto that. And then we have the cable to plug it in with and reprogram it on your laptop and stuff like that. So I think that's everything out of the box. Yeah. So with the kit, you can choose to opt for the steering wheel that I've opted for is the Targa OMP steering wheel. Personal opinion, some people might like different ones. But no, this is the one I've gone for. So proper OMP, all certificate up, so it's not going to bend when you crash. There's a lot of people with the aftermarket ones where they're not great. We've also, with the kit as well, I've lost it down. So we get the Bosch unit. So it connects to your steering wheel and then connects to everything else. So we'll start installing this and I'll come back. So first of all, we put this plug on. It's easier to put that on first. So with the Bosch unit, the biggest hole will go through there like so, and then locate it there, and then Bosch unit puts on to the tight. So that's the wire you need. Right. We then screw this in. Make sure that's tight. You do not want your steering wheel coming off. So the next step is to connect your wire to that. So your zestek sign will be located on the front, and on the rear it will say VW Mark 7. So at this stage we've obviously got the PCB board here. We've just connected that, so we've just disconnected it from the quick release system. Just one plug, straightforward, plug it in, roll the wires back up into the little hoop, and then push it on, and then we'll be doing up these 6 screws. So after the whole thing's installed, we build up the wheel. So it's a case of just unscrewing these 6 bolts, putting your steering wheel on top of this plate, and then you put this plate on, and the longer screws that you get with it, you then screw into here to secure your steering wheel. And then it's a case of just plopping it on. I think I'm going to do this with one hand. So it's all quick release. So all you do is you pull that forward or pull it back, plop it on, and it's not going nowhere, and it just feels amazing. I've put this on myself. They don't come with the kit, but I wanted something to just go onto the steering wheel. So I've not installed any settings on the steering wheel, so let's turn that on. So it all lights up nicely, just in white currently. I believe you can change all the colours on the steering wheel. So yeah, you can change it all. So we'll go inside, we'll plug it up to the laptop, and we will see what we can do with it. So currently we have it set up onto the laptop. So now we've gone through the settings and click Mark 7 Golf, and now we just get to go around and change all the colours, which put blue onto there, puts blue onto there, which is very, very cool. Pink, no, we won't do pink, we'll do white for that one, we'll do blue for that one. So these are all your mapping functions. So I would say maybe the green one can be these are all like your radio, so it's all OEM functions. You can do, oh my god, there's so many functions. Right, I'm gonna figure this out and then I'll get back to you. So now I've reprogrammed everything and put the switches where I want to put. So blue, I've got my horn. This button here, it selects through the menu settings. This one on the left skips to the next lot. So telephone, audio, compass, driving data, and then press OK, and then you can just flick through and have all your settings all work. So I hope this video helps, and yeah, if you want to get one of these Area Motorsport, do these for the Mark 7 Golfs, the Cupras, the Mark 8 Golfs. For any other models, just speak to them and I'm sure they can put you in the right location.